The cost of dental dentistry, Europe and Turkey. If it's about dental treatments, the costs of treatment can differ greatly dependent on where you live located in. The most common dental procedure lots of people have to undergo is dental fillings. The fillings used in dental procedures are designed to fill in dental decay and to restore them back to function normally. But the price of receiving dental fillings can differ considerably between various countries. In this clip, we'll look at prices for dental fillings within Europe in comparison to Turkey. We will examine the motives of the different prices and talk about the benefits from getting dental fillings. Turkey. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental fillings varies based upon the location you're located in. The average cost of one dental filling within Europe is ranging from 50 to 200 euros. Costs for dental fillings in places such as Germany, France, and the UK tend to be more expensive when compared with other European countries. The pricey cost of fillings for dental purposes in Europe could be due to many aspects. The main reasons are the costs of living, high-priced dental equipment, and high labor costs. Furthermore, the demands for dental procedures in Europe is high. This will increase the costs of dental treatments. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey is known for giving high-end dental treatment with a lower expense compared with other European nations. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey are significantly less, and prices range from 20 to 50 euros for a filling. One of the major reasons for the less expensive costs of fillings and dental procedures for patients in Turkey is the less expensive price of living as compared in European countries. This enables Turkish dentists to give low prices and still maintain excellent standards of service. In addition, the materials used in dental procedures used in Turkey can be purchased at a lower cost. This results in lower cost overall of dental treatments. Benefits of getting dental fillings in Turkey. There are numerous advantages of receiving dental fillings from Turkey in addition to costs that are lower. One of the biggest advantages is the superior level of service delivered from Turkish dentists. Turkish dentists are well-trained and usually have extensive expertise of performing dental procedures. In addition, many of the dental facilities are located in Turkey come with the latest equipment and facilities that are modern, which ensure patients receive the highest quality of dental care. In addition, Turkey is known for warmth and warm client service. It makes dental visits a pleasurable experience for patients. All in all, having dental fillings in Turkey will provide substantial savings on costs without having to sacrifice high quality. Patients are able to enjoy affordable rates, superior care, and the latest facilities when choosing for dental fillings in Turkey. In the end, the price of fillings for dental purposes in Europe is often higher in comparison to Turkey. Because of the lower costs of living and the low cost of dental products in Turkey enable competitive prices, but without sacrificing the quality. Anyone looking to cut down for dental services without having to compromise in quality should think about getting dental fillings in Turkey. The country has high standards for dental care, modern equipment, and reasonable prices. Turkey is a top tourist destination for dental treatment.